Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a must-have accessory review for the iPhone, and it's going to be the Ditesa 8000 milliamp portable power bank charger and wireless charger. That's right, I said and wireless charger. That means that literally all you have to do is turn it on, and you have the ability to take your Galaxy or your iPhone and just place it right over the top and just start charging wirelessly. So these are growing in popularity, these power bank chargers that also support wireless Qi charging. And there's three reasons why you're going to want to get this one. First of all, it charges 50% faster than your average Qi charger. So you know your phone is going to charge a lot quicker. It also has a really large coil on the front, so your phone doesn't have to be on there perfect, and it's still going to pick it up and it's still going to charge it. So that's awesome. The second reason is going to be your ability to charge up to 3 phones at one time. You're probably saying, how do I do that? Well, it's simple. It has 2 USB ports, 2 full USB, so you can plug in 2 phones. And third, it has the wireless charger on the top there. So you get 3 ways that you can basically have 3 things charging at one time. So 8000 milliamp is a lot of battery power, and basically you can charge, your friend can charge, and you know your cousin can charge all at the same time. So how great is that? The third really awesome thing about this charger is that it also comes with an additional accessory, which is a kickstand on the back. This just pops right out, and it will allow you, guess what, maybe after you finish charging, or maybe you decided, hey, I want to go ahead and charge using a cable, you'll actually be able to just stick your iPhone right on there and you can watch some videos. So a great accessory to have with you for lunchtime. Sit down, watch your video with your little kickstand, just like that. So just another really cool add-on to it. And the pricing for this is very reasonable. I'm not even going to tell you how much it is because it's so darn inexpensive. So what I want you to do is click on the link in the description, check out the price, and go ahead and pick up one of these. This is a great accessory to have. Think about it, the holidays are coming up. You guys are going to be traveling more, and you're going to want to have that backup power bank charger with you. So now, guess what? All you have to do is carry this. You don't even have to carry a charging cable if you don't want, because you can now just wirelessly charge, stick it right on the top there, and you're good to go. So the last thing, I didn't list this as one of the 3 main reasons, but it's another reason I love this charger. So it does always show you how much battery power you have left. So I know that I'm at 68%. Some of the other chargers, I don't like them as much because they'll have a battery indicator, for example. So it'll say, oh, if there's 4 lights, it's full. If there's 3 lights, it's 75% full. If there's 2 lights, 50%, 1 light, 25%. I like knowing exactly how much battery power I have left. So definitely a cool plus to have that indicator screen right on the front there. So hit that link in the description and go ahead and pick up one of these. It'll make a great travel buddy for you and a great holiday present as well. Make sure you like, favorite, and share the video if you did find it helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Also, we did just launch a brand new site called, oh, it just happens to be right here, Tech Made Easy, and on the next screen you will see a green bubble. Go ahead and hit that green bubble to subscribe. That channel is going to be catered more towards first-time smartphone users and seniors. So if you fall in that category, you're looking for even simpler tech videos, go ahead and check out some of those. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.